Oh, hey guys. Just it's like 3 o'clock. Just got done watching the Michigan State game in uh California. Anyways, this print got done. I printed this little cap on that one. And this lady's kid wanted a one of those fidget samurai sword thingies that that come out. So yeah, I printed the black earlier today, the black part earlier, standing up like this. And then when that was done, I 3D printed the handle up like this. And then I 3D printed the cap on that over there. So, and I just got done after being my first time kind of going through a couple of models. It took me about 4.5, almost 5 hours to color two models because I wasn't really familiar with how to do all the curves and all that stuff. So I kind of screwed up a little bit and I had to go back and fix some lines. And you know how it is when you first start a new program or trying to learn something new, it takes you a long time at first. And then once you get used to it, then it goes pretty quick after that. Yeah. So I got a couple of, can't really see them. Anyways, I will show you what they look like when they're all done.